Hey friends, this is one of those real posts. I'm upstairs in our loft bedroom where my library books, or my books for my library, have been for years. You know, we've lived in a bungalow. Well, we did this addition, and today's the day that I'm preparing for. I have a group of girls coming over tomorrow afternoon, Sunday afternoon, to help move it all downstairs and to set up the library. We're actually going to have bookshelf wars. It's for teenagers or preteens, and we're going to have a lot of fun. So I thought this is part of them. I thought I'd give you a little peeky poo at them. And I've discovered things I haven't seen in books. I want to read like every book again, and some that I never read. I love books, y'all. Just love them. Does anybody else feel like maybe they don't want other people touching your books? Yikes.